today we will be making this beautiful scenery in a landscape. Okay, after holding your red color, we are going to make 1 and 2 lines like this, and then we will do the shading, okay? Right now we have to smudge the orange with red. Going to make your beautiful craft, and see how perfect border is coming up.
Did your children enjoy that? My name is Amol Arora. I'm the Managing Director of Shamrock and Shamford Group of Schools. We've got many more such activities in our EduMax learning program. We've created an amazing learning program because we realize children are at home, they cannot come to school, and schools have the expertise to educate children. To overcome this, we've come up with an amazing program which requires minimum eye strain, which has virtually no eye strain. Children just look for communication, they do the activities. It's a full day program. There's so much for children to do, and what the best thing I can tell you is get a free trial version. Just call the number below and get a free trial version and see for yourself how amazing it is. I'm sure you'll love it, but for the first step, take a free trial, and we are confident that your child would love EduMax as much as we have loved designing it. Good luck.